We've all heard the saying, "You are what you eat." This is especially true when it comes to fats. While some fats can be detrimental to our health, others are essential for our bodies to function properly. Omega-3, omega-6, and omega-9 fatty acids fall into the essential category. These powerhouses contribute to heart health, brain function, and reducing inflammation. Understanding their individual benefits and how they work together can help you make informed decisions about your diet and overall well-being. Omega-3 fatty acids are renowned for their cardiovascular benefits. They lower triglyceride levels, a type of fat found in the blood that, in excess, can increase the risk of heart disease. Omega-3s also help reduce blood pressure, another critical factor in maintaining a healthy heart. Furthermore, these essential fats can slow the buildup of plaque in our arteries, improving blood flow and reducing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. But the benefits of omega-3s don't stop there. They play a vital role in brain health, supporting cognitive function and memory. Omega-3s are also crucial during pregnancy, aiding in the development of the baby's brain and vision. Omega-6 fatty acids often get a bad rap, but they are essential for our health in moderation. They play a role in brain function similar to omega-3s, and are involved in regulating our metabolism. Omega-6s also contribute to healthy skin and hair. The key with omega-6s is balance. Modern Western diets tend to be very high in omega-6s due to the consumption of processed foods and vegetable oils. While we need some omega-6s, an excess can contribute to inflammation in the body, potentially increasing the risk of chronic diseases. Omega-9s, the supporting act for a healthy life. Unlike omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, our bodies can produce omega-9s. However, consuming them through our diet offers additional benefits. Omega-9 fatty acids can improve insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for regulating blood sugar levels and preventing type 2 diabetes. Omega-9s also work synergistically with omega-3s to promote heart health by reducing LDL cholesterol, often referred to as bad cholesterol, and increasing HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol. Finding the balance, the omega-3 to omega-6 ratio. The ratio of omega-3 to omega-6 fatty acids in our diet is more important than the absolute amount of each. The optimal ratio is believed to be around 1 to 1. However, the typical Western diet has a ratio closer to 1 to 10 or even 1 to 20, with a significant imbalance in favor of omega-6s. This imbalance can contribute to inflammation and increase the risk of chronic diseases. By increasing our intake of omega-3s and reducing our intake of omega-6s, we can achieve a healthier balance and reap the full benefits of these essential fats. Are omega-3-6-9 fatty acids right for everyone? Omega-3-6 and -9 fatty acids are generally safe for most people. However, it's always a good idea to consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian before making significant dietary changes, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. They can help determine the right balance of these fatty acids for your individual needs. For example, people taking blood thinners might need to moderate their intake of omega-3s, as high doses can have a blood-thinning effect. Similarly, individuals with certain medical conditions might need to adjust their intake of omega-6s. Boost your health with Omega-3-6-9, simple diet additions. Incorporating omega-3-6-9 fatty acids into your diet doesn't have to be complicated. Here are some simple ways to increase your intake. Omega-3s. Include fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines in your diet twice a week. Other good sources include walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds. Omega-6s. Opt for healthy oils like olive oil and avocado oil in moderation. Limit your intake of processed foods, vegetable oils like corn and sunflower oil, and fried foods which are often high in omega-6s. Omega-9s. Enjoy avocados, olive oil, nuts, and seeds regularly. By making conscious food choices and striving for a balanced intake of omega-3-6 and -9 fatty acids, you can support your overall health and well-being. Remember, a healthy diet is a journey, not a destination, so start incorporating these essential fats into your meals today and experience the positive impact they can have on your life.